I got a special gift in the mail today and I don't know what it is. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, we got a little metal can here. Lid screws on. Next, Knitter's Salve. Ooh, Nikki. This looks like it's going to be so cool. Okay, I gotta smell it. Ooh. I don't know what that is, but it smells good. Maybe like some type of pear. Of course, it is so cold outside that everything is froze right now. But I am so excited, Nikki. Thank you. I will have all of her information in the video description below. I've gotten really cool stitch markers and stuff from her before. And she's also a designer, so she has some really cool patterns out there too. So I'll try to find her information and link in the video description below. Again, Nikki, thank you so much. I'm going to get so much use out of this.